All right, what are some of the myths you've heard versus using Navigator Pro and calling the Repco store direct in regards to getting parts? What are some of the stories you've heard there?
So the big one is the stock isn't correct. So it's live straight to our system, just like I was saying before. It's literally a door into the business, and when you order, it takes and it reserves that stock. So if there's 10 filters, you order 2, there's 8 to everybody else, and you can see that if you go through and place an order, jump straight back, you can see it change immediately.
Right.
And so it's always live and always accurate, ties directly to our system, the same thing that the guys use in store.
Do you have people who use the Pro and then call the store?
Yes, and it's because they think that they'll get the parts faster.
Oh, right, okay.
And it's not the case.
It's online.
Well, and because when you place the order, you don't have to re-communicate everything. You call up the store and, hey, I'm looking for this, or I want this part. It sounds really weird, but when you've already looked it up, or you already understand the vehicle, the part, what I'm looking for, and you've seen the price,
and it's in stock,
you've then got to communicate what car you're looking at, who you are too as well. We've got a lot of customers, making sure that if we place the order, it's going to the right shop, and all of that takes time and communication, which then gets wasted.
So with Navigator Pro, when you got to that final point, you know it's in stock. You're basically standing in front of the shelf.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
So you might as well just go grab, drop it in the cart, and away you go.
Same as putting on one of these and doing it yourself. Yep.
So what about setting up, the hardware on site in workshops, computers and bits and pieces and things like that?